Introducing the TTQ Cashew Vacuum Packing Machine, the ultimate solution for precision packaging in the global cashew industry. At TTQ Company Limited Vietnam, we understand that preserving quality is everything. Crafted with precision and innovation, our machine features a robust three-phase, 380-volt system delivering 3 horsepower of pure packaging power, a powerful vacuum pump with unparalleled performance. Our state-of-the-art machine boasts remarkable capabilities. Rapid air intake velocity of 45 cubic meters per hour. Precise vacuum cycle, just 45 seconds of aspiration. Lightning fast sealing in only 2 seconds. Achieving a remarkable vacuum pressure of 76 centimeters of mercury. Built entirely from food-grade stainless steel, our machine meets regulatory standards. The integrated nitrogen gas piping system ensures maximum product protection, while our double-layer seal guarantees extended preservation of your precious cashews. Designed for ease of use and minimal maintenance. Whether you're a small producer or a global exporter, the TTQ vacuum packing machine delivers consistent, professional results every single time. Preserve the flavor, protect the quality. Choose TTQ.